Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly resize the iPhone lock screen clock in iOS 26 or later. With the introduction of iOS 26, Apple gives you even more freedom to customize your iPhone lock screen. And one of the coolest new features is the ability to resize the lock screen clock, letting you adjust its size to perfectly match your wallpaper, widgets, or even your personal style. So whether you prefer a bold, large clock for easy visibility or a smaller, subtle one for a minimal look, this feature makes it simple to tailor your lock screen to your heart's liking. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to bring the lock screen on your iPhone, and then you have to long press anywhere on the lock screen to trigger the customization mode, and then you have to hit the customize button to proceed. After that, you have to rest your finger on the drag handle located at the bottom right of the clock frame. And then you have to use the handle to perfectly resize the lock screen clock. And once you have made the preferred changes to your lock screen, make sure to tap on the done button located at the top right to finish. And that's about it. Resizing the lock screen clock in iOS 26 is a small change that makes a big difference in customization. By choosing the clock size that fits your style, you can create a lock screen that feels uniquely yours. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to spice up the lock screen customization game, and I'll catch you up in the next one.